Yeah, hello again YouTube, ZL2Ara here. FT8 on 40 meters is absolutely crazy. Just logged another contact here. What's our local time? 8 minutes past 5 here on a Thursday. And temperatures around 20 degrees C. And this is crazy. I put out a call and so as you can see, here's another one. I absolutely get swamped. I'll just go back a little bit and show you what I mean. Oh, hang on, where's it gone? Yeah, all back here. Oh, there we go. Just all that. From just logging in and putting out a CQ. Absolutely crazy. And this has been a lot of fun since I've been playing around with FT8. Digital modes on HF. And yeah, it's an amazing mode to use your HF rig with. As you see, I'm using the IC7300 and it performs very well. The type of antenna I'm using is an off-center fed dipole, and so it's nothing extravagant in the way of antennas. It's just a multi-band dipole. So okay, it looks like we're going to get this SP1I as a confirmed contact. Fingers crossed. But I just can't believe when I start this program and put out a call either on 20 and 40 have been my favourite bands so far. As you see over here, we're on the 40 meter band. Well, there you go, right there. And look at that. Wow, another one. It's absolutely crazy. And see, I've just been hit. Another station wants to log me. I just have to finish off this contact first. And now I can go to this one. So who's this? This is an IZ7MFY. Wow. As I say, you look up here and look at all the stations. The place is just bombarded, isn't it? It's absolutely crazy. But having a lot of fun with this. A lot of fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Any questions, please put them in the comments and I'll try and answer them. But as I said, I am very new to this mode, and I'm just playing around with it. But hey, all aspects of amateur radio are about having fun. So I hope you enjoy this, because I'm certainly enjoying playing on this mode of FT8. It's a wee faster than the JT65 in the turnaround, from what I've been told, so we shall see. Well, as you see, I haven't finished with this one, but this other one here, this WB6UZZ, has wanted to make a QSO, so I'll give this guy a few more seconds and see if we can finish off this contact. But as I said, it's just crazy. You know, as soon as I enable TX and it goes out, I just get hit instantly. So yeah, it's certainly a popular band. I understand it's one of the newer digital modes on HF, so the popularity of it is just amazing, really. And obviously all parts of the world are right into this. I haven't seen many local stations, not to say that there isn't any. The most, when I say local, is the VKs. So otherwise they're just stateside, Europe. Some of these call signs I have never seen before, so I need to definitely QRZ them and find out where they are. Well, it looks like this guy here's given up, so I'll go back out to put in out a CQ and we shall see what happens. On the transceiver, I'm running about 67%, or we'll go to 70% of my RF power output, which is not too bad. It seems to be doing the job. Alright, What's going on here? It would appear he would still like to log a contact, so we'll give it a go. Anyway, thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and please like and comment once again. This is always quite cool to do, so I plan to do a few more on other modes as well, so please stay tuned. 7.3 is from ZL2RO.